Hello friends, here in this video we will be going to discuss about a very special concept about polynomial. So that is degree of a polynomial. So let us see what is a degree of a polynomial. Okay, so we know from the last video that a polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a0 plus a1x plus dot dot plus an x to the power n, where a0, an are constants, and that powers of x will be 0, 1, 2, dot dot n. Okay, this n is a natural number, right? And another most important thing is that an is not equals to 0. What is the significance of an not equals to 0? That is that there exists some power of n, some positive integral, non-negative integral power of x such that its coefficient is not vanishing, and this power is maximum. Okay, if not, then what will happen? If suppose an equals to 0 for some n, right? So what will be the power of, or what will be the coefficient of x to the power n minus 1? That will be at an minus 1. So basically what will be our polynomial? Our polynomial will be of the form a0 plus dot 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 plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1. Is not it? Because an is 0, so 0 into x to the power n is of no use, right? So then this will be non-zero. This must have to be non-zero. If it is also 0, then what can we conclude? That this is of the form a0 plus dot 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 a n minus 2 x to the power n minus 2. So if we proceed in this way, so what we will get eventually we get 0. So this is a very special case that this is zero polynomial, and we have specified its name. So in general, a polynomial is not a zero polynomial. So there exists some power of x that can be x to the power 0 or x to the power 1 or something x to the power n. Okay, so whose coefficient is non-zero, and that power of x is highest. So what we can say? We can say that degree of a polynomial is, of course, polynomial in one variable is the highest power of that power is non-negative integer, the highest power of x present in the polynomial expression, right? So what will be the highest power of x? That is for which power its coefficient, for which maximum power its coefficient is non-zero. That will be the highest power, and that will be present in the polynomial expression. So this is our definition of a degree of the polynomial, right? So as for example, if we take as for example this polynomial x cube plus 3x squared plus 1. So here we can see that coefficient highest power of x is x3 and its coefficient is non-vanishing, right? That is 1. So this is non-vanishing. So degree of this polynomial x cube plus 3x squared plus 1 is 3. Is it clear? Okay. So we can see some special type of polynomials. Those polynomials which are in which all the coefficients basically, okay, so is this, so if a polynomial in which all the coefficients are 0, that is a0 equals to a1 equals to a, all are 0, that particular polynomial is called zero polynomial. Okay, zero polynomial. If all the terms a1, a2 up to and so on, all the terms are 0, then but a0, we don't know about a0. A0 may be some constant. So this polynomial a0 is called constant polynomial, right? Okay, and this polynomial in which whose degree is 1, degree 1 polynomial is called what? Linear polynomial. Degree 2 polynomial is called quadratic polynomial, right? And degree 3 polynomial is called cubic polynomial, and so on. Like this thing, there is biquadratic polynomial if degree of polynomial is 4, and later on there are not such familiar names. Okay, and what is called a monomial? Monomial is not related to a term degree. So this is if in a polynomial there is only one expression. In a polynomial there is only one expression. It will be called monomial. Okay, and if two expressions, then it is called binomial. As for example, this is x minus 1, this is a px equals to x minus 1, this is a binomial. Px equals to x or x cube is a monomial. Okay, if there are three expressions present in a polynomial, like, then it is called trinomial. Fine. So this is like a px equals to x to the power 100 plus x squared plus x. This is the triangle. Okay. So and another important thing is that what is the degree of a so we have known degree of a polynomial. So what is the degree of zero polynomial? Okay, so what is the degree of zero polynomial? It can't be defined. It can't be defined because in the definition, the highest power of x present in the polynomial expression whose coefficient is non-zero. Okay, okay, I haven't written it previously. So whose coefficient is non-zero. So in a zero polynomial, there is no such thing. So its degree cannot be defined. So degree can't be defined. Okay. And what is degree of non-zero constant polynomial? Non-zero constant polynomial, that is there, suppose 5x. Okay, example 5x. So here x to the power 1 is present. Sorry, non-zero constant polynomial. Sorry. So this is x, for example 5. So x to the power 0 is present, whose coefficient is 5, which is non-zero. So its degree of 5 is 0, right? And and we have specifically said the degree of linear polynomial is 1. Degree of quadratic polynomial is 2. So on. Degree of cubic polynomial is 3, and so on. Okay. So the concept of degree of a polynomial is clear. So here the first section of the chapter polynomial is being ended. Okay. All right. Thank you.